The battle over whether to strike down the Texas voter ID law is now in the hands of a federal appeals court. All 15 judges on the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals heard arguments this morning. The 2011 Texas law requires voters to show specific kinds of photo identification in order to cast a ballot, like a driver's license or a passport. Critics say the law violates the Federal Voting Rights Act because the rules make it more difficult for poor people and elderly people to vote.
There are over 600,000 Texans who are registered to vote in Texas. But at the time that this law was passed, the legislature knew that these folks did not have the ID required to vote under the new law. Those folks are out in the cold right now while we're waiting on this decision to come down.
Last month, the U.S. Supreme Court rejected a request to put the law on hold while the case is pending, but the justices gave the Fifth Circuit judges a deadline of July the 20th to make a decision. If they cannot decide by then, the case could go to the Supreme Court.